Hello everyone, my name is Joe Schold and I'm the bowling coach here at St. Rose High School. I'm happy to take this opportunity to speak to all of you about the sport of bowling and the accomplishments of our graduating seniors. First and foremost, I want to thank Mr. Tenero and Mr. Carey for their continued support. I realize this is a difficult time and I'm thankful for the time to share with you. This year we have 8 graduating seniors who have participated in the varsity program. Since most of the bowlers have already received their varsity letters in previous seasons, we'll have bowling pins for each player, and in addition, when time permits, I'll have something extra to pass along to my graduating bowlers. First, let's talk about the boys team. The team improved and finished in 5th place in the division this year. Our seniors are Will DeGennaro, Vincent Schenko, Dan Tenza, and Spencer Smith. Will joined the team a couple of years ago and improved each season. He split his time between tech team for the school musicals and the bowling team, and we were always glad when he was able to join us with his enthusiastic spirit. Vincent has also been a part of the team for the past few years, and I know he's a team favorite. Whether he was bowling varsity or JV, he was always there to give it his all. He always showed support to his fellow teammates and opponents in every match. Dan Tenza was always there and one of the unspoken leaders of the team. He always offered to help me, especially when I was running around between the two teams, and he's shown so much progress and dedication from the moment he joined the team. Spencer Smith. Spencer, you will be missed. I remember the day you joined the team. You were shy and quiet. I said, but I know you've come a long way. It's wonderful to see the young man that you've developed into. I love having your parents, your grandparents be part of the season with us. I know I'll be hearing about you in all of your future endeavors. While with the boys team, we didn't win the championship this year. I am pleased that these boys were part of the championship seasons in the past. I enjoyed the fact that they were part of a state championship team and saw what happened. You were truly a part of that. I want to thank you all for letting me become part of your lives. Now on to the girls team. The girls rose to the best finish in school history. We finished in 4th in division and we qualified for the short conference tournament for the first time. I'm also pleased to say that we defeated each team above us in the standings, especially Manasquan, who at the time were undefeated. We were quite proud of that victory. Neither of these accomplishments would have been possible without these young ladies being part of the program. Our graduating seniors are Alex Sims, Maddie Legata, Mary Schold, and Mia Quillis. Alex joined the team last year with Maddie and both took to it right away. Alex has been ready to cheer on her teammates and the opposing team, and she's always been a joy to coach. Alex, you will be missed. Maddie joined the team last year and quickly fell in love with the game. I believe she was also a softball player in the past. She has been a pleasure as a part of the team and contributed every week she was there. Maddie always went above and beyond to help her teammates, especially when they were struggling. Sadly, Maddie suffered a shoulder injury towards the end of the season, which prevented her from finishing the last few matches. I know she plans on continuing to improve bowling in college and will also watch over her younger sister over the next few years. Mary joined the team 3 seasons ago with Mia. Mary showed dedication to both her bowling and her years performing in the St. Rose Theater. She was always so upbeat with a smile on her face and has showed much progress since her sophomore year. With her vibrant personality, she would always transfer all that energy to her fellow teammates, especially when she was on the bus rides and blasting the loud music. Mia joined the team 3 seasons ago with Mary and also improved each season. She has been so wonderful to coach and has always had a positive attitude during our matches. She was so excited when she threw a strike, and her expression was priceless every time. Mia leaves us with the highest average of the graduating senior girls, and she will be missed very much. Like the graduating boys, these young ladies were key parts to the success of the bowling program. All of the ladies leave us and the girls program having reached the highest level and nothing but a positive outlook going forward. Thank you to all of you, to all of my bowlers. And I look forward to seeing all of you during college, coming back and visiting, and seeing what progress we've made with the groundwork you've laid. Thank you very much.